Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to drop a pin in Google Maps on your phone. Super handy when you want to mark or share an exact location. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet or mobile data. After connecting your device to the internet, simply open your Google Map application. After opening Google Map application, zoom in or move around the map to find the spot where you want to drop a pin. Suppose I want to go here. Simply now press and hold anywhere on the map or red pin will appear and you will see the location details at the below. Like this, the red pin will appear and here are the details of the location. You can now tap save to add it on a list like favorite or want to go, or tap share to send the exact location to friend or family. As you can see, here are the options. After that, to get direction, just tap direction and map will guide to the pin you drop. As you can see, here is the direction and it will show the direction. To remove the pin, just tap the X on the search bar or tap anywhere else on the map. Simply click cross and go back like this. And that's how it's easy to drop a pin in Google Maps. Great for meetings, point, marking places with no address or saving hidden gems. If this helped, hit the like button and stick around for more quick Google Map tips and see you in the next one.